Wildlife of Model Forestry Park. This is a model forestry park developed by CDA.
Forests are the lungs of nature which provide us oxygen to survive life. Forest walk is fantastic outdoor activity. It helps to improve your brain and body.
There is an internal struggle we are all fighting out to keep the stress and anxiety at bay. Out of so many options, forest walk is one of that option which can lift the spirits, calms the mind and adds flavor.
Regular gym training and going to the nearest park for walking gets boring sometimes. So forest walking adds flavor in your life.
Change is the only constant. You might have heard this phrase. We all look forward for a change in our life, be it minor or major. You are your own master. You are the controller of your life. By introducing forest walk in your life, you break that monotony and adds flavor. Forest walk gives us the opportunity to bring that change in our life.
Need a sense of peace and relaxation? Take a walk to the forest.
Is forest walk suitable for kids?
Yeah, of course, it is suitable for kids, but it should be supervised by adults.
Research suggests forest walk helps to improve the symptoms of ADHD, attention deficit hypersensitivity disorder in kids. With so many gadgets around these days, kids hardly get any chance to spend time outdoors. So it is recommended to take your kids for a forest walk. This is quite healthy lifestyle by giving them this opportunity to go out and explore the nature. The kid gonna love this.
Forest walk is free of cost meditation.
Forest walk is an antidote to so many stressors of fast-paced life.
The world reveals to those who travel on foot.
Forest walk is also known as forest bathing. Forest bathing is a Japanese concept which was termed in the early 80s in the 20th century. Shinrin Yoku. Shinrin Yoku, to immerse yourself in the forest environment, in the lush green area, the tall trees, water stream, anything related to forest. Immersing yourself in that area is forest bathing.
Forest walk gives you the opportunity to reach a wetland, water stream or a pond, which is another relaxing point.
Forest walk offers biodiversity. Forest walk gives us the opportunity to closely observe the various species of plants, animals, insects, and even the microorganisms necessary for healthy ecosystems.
It is our responsibility to teach the young generation about the ecosystem.
Forest walk can be opted as an awareness campaign. Awareness campaign is necessary to aware young generation about the forest, the impact of forest on a healthy ecosystem. With the rising population and urbanization at a rapid pace, forests are decreasing quite significantly. So we need to aware young generation and prepare young generation through these awareness campaign that how forests are important and why the forests are important in having a healthy ecosystem.
forest walking improves sleep. If anyone have any sleep troubles should start forest walking.
Look deep into nature and you will understand everything better. By having so many benefits of forest walk, be it physical, mental and psychological, it should be in our must-have list. The time spent outdoors exploring the nature is not wasted. It is perfectly said, all those who wander are not lost. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Tandwa.